In this video, we will show the best sanders in India 2020. At number 1, Bosch Random Orbit Sander. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Dca Orbital Sander. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Dongcheng Orbital Sander. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Makita Finishing Sander. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Ibell Drywall Sander. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.